Quick little lesson about emails and notifications. Maybe you are being overflowed with emails to your inbox because you subscribe to certain groups on Facebook, and also you're not being notified on Facebook when there is a new post and you want to see it. So the first thing is notifications. Right up here, it will always calculate new notifications if you've asked it to. So there's a simple way you can ask it to. For instance, maybe your daughter has a Facebook, and every time she posts something, you never know it. So you can go right onto her profile page or her timeline. This is my daughter, Christina, and her husband. And I want to make sure every time Christina posts something that I know about it. For instance, she posted this video. She went out to dinner the other night. She posted this. Well, when she posted those, I received a little notification up here that she had something on her Facebook. Right here, all you have to do, and you could do this for anyone that you want to kind of follow on Facebook, go ahead and put your mouse right over where it says friends. And right here it says get notifications. Notice it's clicked. And then also show in news feed. That's clicked too. So that way, every time Christina posts anything, I will get a notification. And also every time I'm looking at my news feed, which here it is, your news feed, I can clearly see if she posted something. It's here as well. Now the same goes for if you do not want to see somebody, you do in your notifications. And you also, you can clearly see, I can't spell this morning. You don't want to see somebody up here in the notifications or in your news feed. This is my other daughter, Bethany. Right here, you can, when I hover over here, get notifications and show in my news feed. Now, I'm never going to do this, but if I didn't want to get notifications from Bethany, I didn't want to show her in my news feed, I would just go ahead and unclick those. So when she posts anything, I would never know it. And also when I look at my news feed, I wouldn't know it either. Now we're going to go ahead and change her back because I do want to know what's going on with her. So that's a little bit about your notifications. You can customize them to fit everyone personally. And you can also customize them for your groups on Facebook. For example, here's all the groups that I subscribe to right now. Some of them I don't want to be notified every time they have a new post. So right here, the idea sharing group, for example, all I have to do if I don't want to get a notification, remember notifications are up here. It has nothing to do with your email. I will go on to that group, hover over here, click on the notifications, and you can clearly see I am going to get notified all posts, and that notification is going to come up here. If I don't want all posts, maybe I just want posts of my friends, I can click this. Or I can click off. That means I will not get a notification up here. However, I will know when there's new posts because you can clearly see after each group. There's been 3 new posts on this one since I've looked, 2 on this one, 3 on this one, 3 on this one. So I'll always know when there's new posts, just not necessarily up here. If you subscribe to our Angela's Arboretum on Facebook, that one, it should say all posts. Now, that doesn't mean you're getting all posts in your email. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Just means there'll be a notification up here. So now let's go to how to get rid of all those annoying emails from Facebook on everything that's going on. Sometimes you might get 10 or 20 or 30 in an hour, and that might be too overloading for you. So I don't get any emails from Facebook whatsoever. Everything that I do on Facebook stays on Facebook. So all you have to do is go to your timeline. This is my timeline. And right here, you're going to see something that looks like a snowflake. Go ahead and click on it. Go to timeline settings. Once you get here, you're going to want to go down here to notifications. Once you're in notifications, go to email and make sure all notifications except the ones you unsubscribe for is not clicked. You don't want this. If you do not want to receive emails, you don't want this. Maybe you only want important notifications about activity you have missed, or maybe you only want notifications in regards to your Facebook account from Facebook. So decide which one. I'm going to change it. Decide which one you want, but if you're overflowed with emails, it's not this one. Make sure this is not checked. So that's how you do that. So that was your Facebook 101 for today. Hope that helped you. Have a great day.